got an abnormal amount of nutsedge this year. I mean, a little bit of crabgrass, but the nutsedge is, wow. Something happens each year. It's different than the previous year. So what can you do? This area right here, look at that. I don't know what it is. I think it's POA. But this was all clay last year, and I dumped some seed on it from a big box store, and I think it carries POA in it. So right now we're looking good. These spots I did not hit. Those, I didn't hit them. A couple of bare spots there. So we go around here. Now I can say that the weed-free grass that I put in, it fills in nicely. Here's another spot where I just put the big box stuff because it was for shade. So I said, well, let me put some shade grass in. And that shade grass that was in that big box store is definitely a lot more lime color than what I put here and here. So I didn't put any weed preventer down because I had seeds in. So now I'm just gonna hit it post. This is filling in nice. This was all clay. All of this was clay. I'm just filling in nice. By June, won't even know.
So the one takeaway that I can see from what I have here is starting at the end of August, at least for the northern people, you have to start putting down your weed preventers, that kind of stuff. There's no way around it. I know that there's going to be 2, 3, 4 more months of good, sunny type weather, but take your tenacity or whatever you have and go around at the end of August and start spraying. All right, this has been The Lawn Jenkins. Thanks.